Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Redmi 10A, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant on this device. So first let's open Google application and then tap on the right down corner. Then click here to the settings and tap to voice section. After that, click to the voice match and you'll see here Hey Google switcher. Just activate Hey Google, click once on the switcher. Now tap to next. Click yes, I agree. Tap to continue. And we can see that Hey Google feature is activated. Now we should add our voice model here. So click to retain voice model and say OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. After that, tap here to finish, and now Hey Google feature successfully activated. When we'll say OK Google or Hey Google, we can see that it's worked successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.